Here is a D&B Rewards app, Dave & Buster's Rewards app. Eat, drink, play, watch. So the concept of this app is pretty interesting. So you just complete challenges. Here there are a bunch of challenges. And then, and then you're getting some cards. And then, you can get some perks. Receive exclusive app-only offers, recharge your Anywhere card anywhere, anytime. So that's how it works. Then you can just open it up. And then, you can just create an account here and oops, sorry. And then, let's just check it out. Sorry for that. So that's about it. So now you can also just sign up. So I'm just entering some test data here. And then you can just select the location. And then you can select it like that, and then you can just tap continue, or you can search for specific place from here. And then you can tap continue. And then your account is created. So then you can just take a quick tour. And then that's how it works. So that's the app basically. You can power up and play, get power card. Here are your cards. Get a new power card. You can see your profile. So that's basically the idea. That's how the app looks like. Hope it is helpful.